Hello dear students, I am Miss Swagatika. Today we'll learn Standard 10 Geography, Lesson number 16, Food Crops, Millets and Pulses. Millets, it refers to a number of inferior grains like jowar means cholam, bajra means kumbu and ragi means nachni which serve as a food and fodder means what? Food for animal in the developing countries. Millets are highly nutritious and easily digestible food. They are rich source of iron, calcium, zinc and magnesium. Millets are known as dry crop because they are grown under the infertile soil, high temperature, low rainfall in a short duration. Related to this portion, what are the questions? Name the different types of millets. What are the different types of millets? Jawar, bajra and ragi. What are the importance of millets? These are easily digestible and nutritious food as it contains iron, calcium, zinc and magnesium. Why it is called dry crop? Because they are grown under the infertile soil, high temperature, low rainfall in a short duration. Now we'll discuss the first millet that is known as jowar. Next we'll discuss about the word bajra. Then last one ragi. First we'll learn about the one jowar. Climate condition for the jowar. It is both kharif and rabi crop. Kharif means crop those are sown during summer and harvested during winter, and rabi means crops those are sown during winter and harvested during summer. It grows well even in the dry farming means absence of irrigation also it can be cultivated. Temperature 27 degrees Celsius to 32 degrees Celsius, rainfall 100 cm. Soil, it needs black clay loamy soil suitable for it, but it can be cultivated any types of soil. Black clay loamy soil of the peninsular India is suitable for its cultivation. Elevation, it needs height 1200 meter elevation. Are you clear about it? Related to this portion, what are the question? What are the climate conditions needed for jowar means like temperature and rainfall value, and what are the geographical condition means climatic condition plus soil and elevation, three are include. Clear? Means geographical condition right temperature 27 degrees Celsius to 32 degrees Celsius, rainfall less than 100 cm. Soil will write black clay loamy soil is best for it, elevation 1200 meter. Now we'll learn about the distribution. Where we'll find the distribution? Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Tamil Nadu, Gujarat are the leading states. Now we'll learn about which one? Bajra. Bajra, climate condition. It is a short season kharif crop grown either as a pure or mixed crop, means it can be cultivated along with the other crop, cotton, jowar or ragi. Temperature 25 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius and the rainfall amount 50 cm to 100 cm. Are you clear? Then soil. It is grown best in red soil, sandy, loamy soil and black soil. Distribution. The principal bajra growing states are Rajasthan, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Uttar Pradesh and Haryana. Same way the question comes climate condition, geographical condition and distribution. Ragi. Climatic condition, it is one of the hardest crop. It needs temperature 20 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius, rainfall 50 cm to 100 cm, soil red, black and sandy loamy soil. Distribution Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Uttarakhand, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh are the producing states. Are you clear? Now let's discuss about the methods of cultivation for three crops. The seeds are sown by broadcasting method, dibbling method and also drilling method. You know what do you mean by broadcasting? Scattering of seed in the agricultural land is known as by hand, is known as broadcasting. Dibbling means sowing of seeds in a regular interval between furrows is known as dibbling. And what do you mean by drilling method? Sowing of seeds in a regular interval with the help of bamboo shaft attached with the plow is known as drilling. I hope you people know about the all three method while we discuss about the rice cultivation methods. Now we'll learn about pulses. Pulses. Varieties of dals include pulses. Pulses. form a very important part of Indian diet, especially for those who consume starchy vegetarian diet because pulses provide vegetable protein. First significance, it provides protein balance in the vegetarian diet. Second point, being a leguminous crops, pulses fix atmospheric nitrogen in the soil and increase the natural fertility of the soil as it is cultivated in a crop rotation process. Second importance given here, it maintains the fertility of the soil naturally without adding fertilizer. It maintains fertility of the soil by the help of crop rotation as it is a leguminous crop. What do you mean by crop rotation? Cultivation of different varieties of crop in the same land area in a successive season is known as crop rotation. Suppose summer will cultivate rice, then winter will cultivate pulses, then summer will cultivate any other crop, like that way, that is known as crop rotation. Now I'll discuss about the pulse crops. It includes gram and arar or tar, urad, moong, masoor, kulthi, matar, kesri, alak and moth or the matki are the important pulses crop. Are you clear? Now climatic conditions, temperature 20 degrees Celsius to 25 degrees Celsius, rainfall amount 50 cm to 75 cm. These are the climatic conditions. Temperature 20 degrees Celsius to 25 degrees Celsius, rainfall amount 50 cm to 75 cm. Soil, dry light soil means alluvial soil is required for the cultivation of pulses. Which soil is best for pulses? Alluvial soil. Distribution. The top 5 pulses producing states are Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan and Andhra Pradesh. Related to the pulses, what type of questions are there? What are pulses? What are the significance of pulses? Pulses are the food crop. Pulses, varieties of dals are known as pulses, and these are the what? Food crop. What are the different varieties of pulses? Gram, arar, tar, urad, moong are the different varieties of pulses. What are the significance of pulses? It maintains the protein balance in the human diet, and also it maintains the fertility of the soil because it is a leguminous crop and cultivated as a crop rotation process. Then what are the climate conditions needed for it? You have to write temperature and rainfall amount. What are the geographical condition needed for it? Means climatic condition, temperature 20 degrees Celsius to 25 degrees Celsius, rainfall 50 cm to 75 cm, soil is alluvial soil, are the geographical condition. And distribution, the leading states are given here: Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan and Andhra Pradesh. I hope you all clear about this topic, well prepared. Next class we'll discuss about the other crops. Thank you and have a nice day.